Hi everyone, my name is Tanner. I'm the technology concierge here at Courtesy Acura, and today we're going to go over how to pair your smartphone with the new 2019 RDX's infotainment system. So we're going to start here at the home page, and I'm going to get my phone ready. I have my cute puppy here. I'm going to go here to Settings. So if I go to Settings, it's typically the third one down, and you just go to Bluetooth, and as soon as you're in that, it will be able to find your phone. So now I'm going to go to Phone, and it says no phone detected. Connect a phone to the vehicle to use this feature. I'm going to go ahead and select Connect Phone and Connect New Device. Then it will take a few seconds, but it already shows my iPhone 2. And you can see the name of your phone right here, now discoverable as iPhone 2. So now it's found it, and it has the pairing code there, and it should match the one here, and I'm going to hit pair, and then allow contacts and favorites sync. I'm going to allow that. And then up here, I'm going to press connect and continue. I'm going to enable AcuraLink Assist, and I'm going to enable smart sharing to lock my car, start my car, find my car, all of those things remotely. And now my phone is connected. So from here, I can have all my contacts in here. It does take just a little bit to download them. And down here you can add favorites, you have all your recent calls, and you can even just enter numbers normally as you would. Alright, thank you very much for joining me. So that's how you connect your phone to the new RDX's infotainment system. If you have any questions, feel free to call here at Courtesy Acura, and my name is Tanner. Have an awesome day.